Do you like the ring sling? Yes, you do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't watched my videos before, I'm Mari. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put your baby into a ring sling. I love using the ring sling for my girls. I'm doing it since Lacey was a newborn, and it just makes things like so much easier. But I know that when I first started ring slinging, I didn't know all the tips and tricks and how to get them in and have the right seat and everything like that. I'm gonna share everything I know. I'm not a professional by any means or anything. So what you do, this is my Poppy and Dave ring sling, and it's linen. It's a peach color. I'll link it down below in the description box. So you just put it over top. You make sure that this is all unfurled on your back, so it's across your whole back, and then I just move it up over my shoulder like that. And with this, the tail, you take it and I just bring it all out. I don't know all the terms and stuff for this stuff, but I'm gonna try and do it as best I can. So you take it out and you make sure it's all equal and even, and then I just bring it all back in, and I try and just bring it out with my fingers, just so it's not all tied up together in a knot. It depends on what size your child is, but Kalina's pretty small still. She's only 12 pounds. So I just take my hand and I just go like this, in it like this, and then I just tighten up the spots that I think would need to be tightened for her. And then I just lift it up again, because I always have problems with keeping the sling up at the top there. Are you ready to be ring sling? Kalina loves the ring sling. So you take them, and if they're not good with their head yet, you can hold it, but Kalina's good. And then I just reach up underneath the sling and grab her feet and pull them in all the way so they're out. Then you want to keep most of the fabric down by their bum, because you don't want it all just attacking you. She's wearing a sweater too, so I just gotta pull it down. I've only got a little bit of fabric here, and I'm just gonna pull that up, and I sort of create a seat for her. So like this. She's got my hair, she's not letting it go. And then I just tuck her hands in. If she was a little bit older, I'd probably let her have them out. And then I just sort of bounce her a little bit, and it creates that seat so that her feet are in an M shape and her bum is all the way down. And I bring up the fabric a little bit more. Hi! Do you like the ring sling? Yes, you do. And I pull her pants down. So now she's in, but she's not totally comfy yet, so I just pull this, so that's the top rail, fixing that, and then I just pull this around and I pull the fabric so that it comes up, and then I tighten it based on where it needs to be tightened. Now my rings probably could be a little bit farther up on my shoulder, but that's okay. A little bit here, so you're just pulling the extra fabric and tightening it. There we go. Now you make sure that it's capped across your shoulder, so it's not hurting you at all. Across your back, so it's fully open. And then you make sure that they have an M seat, so their legs are coming up, and then an M, their bum goes down. You make sure that they're not wearing a sleeper where their feet are getting pushed up against the ends of the sleeper. So always just wearing pants and stuff. You love the ring sling, hey? The tail, what you can do is you can wrap it in here and just wrap it around a couple times. Or say if they were sleeping, you can create almost a pillow for them. You just wrap the tail and then you just stick it in like this, right here. If you have any questions at all about ring slinging or baby wearing or anything like that, let me know down below in the comments or give me a shout. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to put my Instagram right here. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye, guys!